everyone, in this video I will explain you how to create course withdrawal form. First you need to click add-on, school fee form and then load form template. You can search course withdrawal form. Click the template and then load selected template. And then check the dashboard responses, question also the settings. After you refresh the page, click school fee form and get link. Click continue and then choose your account. Click advance and then go to school fee form and then just click allow. After you get the link, you can copy it and paste it in your search engine. Now the template is ready to use. If you want to edit some questions, you can go to questions tab and there you can insert one row. For example, here I will use text area for the question tab and change into address. So it will be a new row for address. Also you can change, for example, description. So the address will change into description box. You can also delete the row like this if you don't need the row anymore. So it will disappear. The description box is disappear now. Also you can change the text color like this from blue into red. So the text color will change. Thank you.